Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we will learn the basic syntax of C++ as well as we will write the first hello world program. So let's get started. Jump on to your compiler and let's just type first of all the syntax. So as we discussed on the board that first of all you have to write the hash include, let's just zoom it a bit. Okay, hash include, then the diamond. In C++, all the brackets that you put in your program must be in pairs. Like I put one diamond bracket, then the other is with it as well. These must be in pairs. So let's start. Let's write input output stream or IO stream. In some compilers you may have to write iostream.h. Both the things are same, don't worry about that. Okay, so let's write the next line, that is using name space std and the semicolon. Don't forget to put the semicolon right here. Okay, never miss the semicolon. It can cause huge trouble for you. Okay, after that int main. In some compilers you may see void main or int main. In void main it says that you don't have to return anything, it is void. You will get familiar with it when we'll study about functions, but right now just keep in your mind that when someone says that he uses void main, it only says that don't return me anything, it is void. But when you are using int main, do remember that you have to use return 0 at the end, because it requires an int to successfully execute your program and terminate it. Okay, so what's next? It is return 0. So as I told you in the previous video that only these 4 lines are a working executable and a proper C++ program. So let's check if it compiles successfully and then runs. Go to execute. First of all, rebuild. Okay, we haven't saved this, so let's save it as hello world program and save it. After that, rebuild. Oh sorry, I think I clicked on the cancel button. Okay, hello world and save it. It is built without any errors, any warnings, and it compilation time and everything is right here. It means that all this that we have written here is a successfully compiled proper C++ program. Okay, so now it has been proved. Let's write something else here. So we learned that using cout we can put anything that we want on our console. So let's check if that really works. So rebuild. What rebuild does is that it takes the text file, that is this file hello world.cpp. cpp means that it is a C++ file. So it takes the text file and converts it to the executable program that we will be using from next on. So let's run it. Oh, it's right there. So it is a complete C++ program saying that hello world, that it means it is saying hello to us. Okay, let's get back to our program, and right here what I want to show you that is once again what I told you on the board, that how cout works. It takes this string, then these operators, this string goes to operators, and operator tells cout, hey man, this is a string, and the guy that has written this, that is sitting in front of the laptop, wants this to be displayed on its console. So cout says bravo, okay, roger that, and it takes it and displays it on your console. So let's just print something else here. Okay, I love C++. So let's compile and run. So it says I love C++. Let's say something else now. Let's tell cout to say I love programming. So let's go again to run, compile and run. Whenever you write something newer in the file, that is your CPP file, you have to recompile it in order to get those changes on your console. So that is a really bad example of output, because C++ and I is combined together. It didn't go on the next line. So let's solve that problem. In order to join strings, which means that in order to write multiple lines in one place, we can choose cout with like that as well, but right now we can't use that because I haven't told you about that. So let's see something like that as well. So after, if you want anything to display again after this I love C++, like I have written I love C++, then I have again put the extraction operator, then I wrote endl. Endl means end of line, you'll soon see that. And let's say I want to print Kashif is a good person. Oh, I didn't use an extra cout, I just use another extraction operator, and after that I wrote another line, another string, that is Kashif is a good person. So again let's put an endl here. So let's see how that works. Compile and run. So you can see that first it says I love C++, and after that end line comes, which puts an end of line after C++ and takes the next string on the next line, that is Kashif is a good person. So we can use multiple strings in a single cout statement. So after that another endl, and then I love programming. So like this you can output anything you want on the console using cout. So it's enough for this video. Your assignment is that you have to make a CV of your all the academic records, and a CV for your job. Like you are going to a job and you have to give a CV for that first. So you have to make a CV that should be displayed on the console, only your address, your name, and anything you want to display on your console. You can send me the code in the comment box. I will check it. I'll try to check all the comments. So do that. Till then, for next video, till then, take care and happy programming.